The Automation Group is a platform of services that provides agnostic installations for integrators and end users in the supply chain. What we do is, very much a niche market, but a very critical component to executing on the demand within the supply chain. I think from an automation perspective, being able to say that we're the largest mechanical installation company in the world has a lot of value, especially with 20 years in the space. And what we're doing now is we're basically providing that outsourced contracting model to all of our partners so that they have a one-stop shop for all of their installation services, including project management and post-sales support. Automation is here to stay, and it's only going to become more apparent. This is due in part to the fact that there is a distinct lack of skilled trades workers in the workforce now. We can't rely on hundreds of people filling up warehouses today like we did in the 80s and 90s. Right now we need to rely on technology, and automation is a critical component to our supply chain model within North America and globally. And I think that doesn't necessarily mean that people aren't going to have jobs. It's just that the job market is going to shift because automation needs people to maintain this technology. And this is where IMI comes in. Being able to offer installation services and a platform of support offerings through our programs allows us a unique way of maintaining, building, and retrofitting a lot of these warehouses and DC centers that are so critical to the supply chain today. We don't just offer one specific service. We're not just going to install your conveyor systems. We're not just going to provide you labor and manpower. We look at ourselves as that one-stop shop, the singular partner, the supplier that you can come to and engage on a variety of levels, from software support, installation, component installs, anything that has to do with technology in the warehouse and in the DC setting. We have expertise on from the moment you engage your client to when you end your installation and go into production for peak season. We're there to support you. And I think that's a unique value proposition that we offer, and I don't think anybody else offers it in the market today.